Yeah, so for me, I'm new to the school and I came from a previous school that it was very stressful and I've got 3 children, so kind of the balance of everything, whereas since I've been here, it was very made clear that you've got a family, we support that, and if I do ever come in, I've had situations at home, it's very much right, what are your priorities, what needs doing, and that's prioritised, and it's very much a team effort and what they can do, and there's always an open door policy of, if you're feeling, a bit overwhelmed and a bit stressed, that you can come in and get advice and advise what to do, really.
I think it's been amazing. Over the last 5 years, we were losing staff at an alarming rate. We would lose 6 to 8 staff every academic year for a number of reasons. However, since our Wellbeing project and since we've taken on board the Worth It training and all those things, we've had very high staff retention. We lose very few members of staff now. In fact, like I said before, we have a lot of people wanting to join our staff. So that's really pleasing. One of the big things is we've got an amazing working environment and learning environment, not only for the pupils, but for the staff as well. We have a lot of staff that want to come and work at this school.
I've never worked somewhere where you feel so appreciated and you feel that your voice is actually heard. And again, little things like that just make such a difference, and they make you want to work better and work harder as well. I find anyway.
Yeah, I think mental health is one of those things that people don't really like to talk about, but we've tried to be very open at the school and make it something that we talk about to ourselves and also to the children, and to say that it's not a scary thing. We all have good mental health, bad mental health, and we should be able to talk about that.
And there's the opportunity with the questionnaires of our opinion, what we think. So it's not just you guys meeting in meetings, talking about it, it's also what else do you think we could do?
We have lots of things such as suggestion boxes. We have things within school for staff to make their wellbeing better, such as seating on a balcony area. We have a serenity room. We have a staff room that's lovely now as well. So we have lots and lots of things.
Because I know that I can go and talk to somebody if I'm struggling, if I know that I will be supported with my wellbeing, that makes me feel it impacts my teaching, that I know that I'm appreciated as a teacher by senior members of the school. They know that my well-being is important. The workload, they understand that there can be a lot of work, but we understand that there's ways of managing that. And it just makes me feel really appreciated, and I think that has an impact on my teaching, because if my well-being is good, my teaching is going to be better.
And I think when you prioritise well-being and you do invest in it, you see the ramifications across the entire school, both in staff retention rates and staff happiness, but also in pupil attendance, pupils learning. It impacts on everything.